What's good, E-Fam? Welcome back to the channel. On today's warm Saturday morning, we're cruising around our West Covina, Baldwin Park, hopefully Santa Fe Dam area. Third day on the Onyx City 2. Let's get it. It's just a real nice feeling to just zip around town, you know? Let's head towards Santa Fe Dam. I'm pretty sure I could be in the bike lane. I'm still a new Onyx rider, guys. Still trying to figure out the loopholes and what have you. If I'm in the bike lane, I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be going too fast. So I'm gonna get out of the bike lane and go the flow of traffic. What a nice feeling. Just within 3 minutes or so, we're already like here at Misty area where I wanted to possibly get boba. It's supposed to be like 95 degrees later on today. But it feels real nice to be on a fast bike, for sure. I haven't done a range test on this puppy yet, but I clocked 54 miles per hour yesterday, and obviously going that fast on an EV like this will drain your battery faster. But yeah, pretty soon I'll do a 30-mile ride. Actually, it will be like more of a 40-mile ride, and I'll try to keep it at 15 to 20 miles per hour, and we'll see how that goes in terms of range test. My battery is already like 40% or so. Can't go that fast all the time. And one thing I'm noticing too is I don't think my audio is going clearly when I'm going over 40 miles per hour. Normal mode only goes up to like under 20 miles per hour. Like right now I'm full blasting it and it's only going 18 miles per hour. Eco mode, oh my gosh, eco mode is like 15 miles per hour. I think this is what they mean by this bike goes up to 60-mile range. But that's like slower than a regular analog bike, if you ask me. So that's almost useless, in my opinion. Sport mode, obviously I was able to get 54 miles per hour on the flat road. I'm like only 156 pounds, but these modes are whack. The increment differences is just too vast. Some items here. Would I pedal with this bike after riding it for 30 miles now? No, I would not pedal with this bike. It's not comfortable at all. Would I jump off curbs with this bike? I really doubt that. I'm gonna run this light. Whew. Would I run yellow lights on this bike? Yes, I would. Just like that. Because it's the perfect, like it's zippy when you want it to be, when you need it to be. As far as the range goes, I mean, obviously there's no way it's 60 miles. That's always just if the bike is running on a stand, you know, like with a zero weight on it. I really doubt that it's gonna go any more than 60 miles, but we really don't know. This is our day 3 on it, testing it out. But I'm pretty sure I have voltage sag just from that burst of running that yellow light earlier. Alright, this is probably the first hill that this bike is seeing going up Santa Fe Dam. Alright, we have 4 bars and we need to get home. I think we're about 8 miles. We're gonna probably head home. And the signal is just so quiet, sometimes you accidentally leave it on. So that's something to definitely keep track of, because if you're going this fast on the streets, you want to keep your eyes on the road as much as possible, and to look down on your speedometer and your display is just sometimes inconvenient because it's so low. Like I have to maybe be always in the speed stance to kind of look at my mirrors and my display. So the other tip is, I guess, be on the speed stance more than not. Still betting the brakes here and there. Yeah, I do wish the rear brakes were stronger, but it'll do. At least the front brakes are strong. Hydraulics. Let's find some shade. Cornering ratio, something you have to keep in mind. This is a heavy bike, so the response when you're turning it's not as quick as I'm accustomed to on a mountain bike or a Super 73 for that matter. Part bike, part motorcycle, part middle finger to the world. I really like that. That's a really good statement. I have to hand it to them. Eco mode and normal mode, it's almost useless, guys. To be honest, 15 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. Like, no one buys an Onyx to use those modes. This is my shoddy cutting of the fairing cowl, but whatever. It was $25 on eBay. It's a maxi pooch fairing cowl, whatever it is. That's the only thing I've done to it. White wall rims, that's cool. It feels strange in some portions. Let me just bike through the grass for a little bit, get more shade and privacy here. Yeah, it's something I'm getting used to. It's fat. It's a very fat battery this way. I wish they would have made it this way to be a little more aerodynamic. It kind of has like a fat Vespa look, vintage Vespa. The seat, I've always wanted maybe a thinner seat, but that's just my preference. I'm a smaller person. This is like 5 inches all the way to 8 inches wide. Pedals is just something that I wish for. I wish it had a bigger sprocket in the rear, so it would be a little bit easier to pedal. Obviously it doesn't have pedal assist. Rear suspensions are good. Front suspensions are okay, in my opinion. But again, it's just my third day taking it out. It's very low. It's lower than the Super 73 S2 model. Because it's low and it has a lot of weight. It's about 150 pounds. You have more traction on the ground. You kind of have a little more control, in my opinion, especially where the battery is distributing weight. I think that adds to the traction overall. That's going to be today's vlog, folks. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on any e-bikes. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.